I suspect most of you who installed the OneUI 7 firmware update have probably gotten used to the separation of the notification panel and the quick settings panel. If you're still not a fan, then no need to worry, as I have a dedicated guide that shows how these can be combined into one panel, just like they used to be. And I'll be sure to have that linked down below. But today, I'm actually wanting to showcase a couple of features that were built into the OneUI 7 firmware for those who have kept their notification and quick settings panels separate. So let's get right into it. So, while viewing either of these panels, did you know that you could simply swipe between them instead of having to close one and then open up another one? This means that while you are viewing the notifications panel, you can just swipe to the left and then you'll access your quick settings panel. And if you have pulled down the quick settings panel to adjust some settings, but find that you also have a notification that you would like to read, then a simple swipe brings back your notification panel right into view. A really simple feature that Samsung has added here, but one that I appreciate and use almost every day. The other interesting feature that I wanted to point out with these panels is about which side gets which panel. By default, your quick settings panel is going to be on the right side. So pulling down on the right side of the top of the screen is going to reveal those tiles. And pulling down from the left side of the screen, that's going to reveal your notifications. But we can actually swap these around. And we do that by first expanding the quick settings panel, and then we tap on the pencil icon at the top so that we can dive into the settings area. From here, if you look toward the top again, you're going to see a button labeled Panel Settings. So let's go ahead and tap that. And from here, we have a couple of settings to adjust. But we're going to be focusing on this toggle right here, labeled Quick Panel on Left Side. So by default, this is off because the Quick Settings panel is on the right side. But if we enable that, go ahead and minimize everything. Now when we swipe on the right side of the screen, you're going to see the notifications panel appear. Then if we go to the top left corner and swipe down, we're going to see our quick settings tiles, just like you would expect. Honestly, I'm still not a fan of the newly split panels here, but as one can expect, it's likely just going to take a bit of time to get used to. And I think features that I showed off here today will help improve the user experience so much that it will become the preferred setup from here on out. It's actually giving me memories back to when custom ROMs like CyanogenMod and Paranoid Android introduced this feature as an option. There's a lot to uncover in this OneUI 7 firmware update, so I would love to hear about your favorite feature down in the comment section below. Just don't forget to give this video a like to help spread the word, and subscribe to the channel too for more Samsung Galaxy videos like this.